Flower Mound, Texas today. But we are in charge of more than just unpacking the boxes in this house. We're project managing the unpack of this home. The window washers just showed up. We have an AC repairman here, the electrician is here, and then one of our biggest challenges is there are no carpets in any of the bedrooms, and they are getting installed tomorrow morning. We've got a timeline on this unpack. We have until Friday. Today's Wednesday. So we have our work cut out for us. Today's goal, every box unpacked. On day one of our unpacks, that is our #1 goal. We wanna make sure that we see everything that we have and that all of the trash is out of here. Salvador, I think I just saw him pull up. He's coming with the trash trailer. He's gonna drop it for the next 3 days so we can just be throwing boxes and throwing trash into the trailer so that it's out of the house. When all the boxes are emptied, then tomorrow we can actually assess where everything's gonna go and how we're gonna put it away. I forgot the last owners because who's keeping this in their kitchen?
Yeah. Yeah, when we were looking and zooming, because I was saying the same thing to her, I'm like, there's no possible way that this is it.
Right, it looked like way more clothes.
It looks like so much, but I think it has to just be really spread out.
Okay.
So,
well, if it all fits, I'm happy.
Yep. Based on the pictures from the old house, we thought that there's a lot more clothes. Like a lot more clothes where I was running around the house here, making sure there wasn't boxes everywhere else. But as we got everything unpacked, we're seeing that it's a lot less. So that we thought this was gonna be the challenge space of the house for sure. But as we're getting in here, I think the biggest challenge is gonna be the shoes because there's a lot of shoes. But other than that, I think it's gonna go a lot smoother than we thought.
When we're unpacking the boxes today, we're getting everything out of the boxes and the trash away and then placing everything where it's generally gonna be. So I've got a bunch of book boxes for the office. I'm gonna get them out of the boxes, put them on the bookshelf for now, and then after we'll come through and start placing everything perfectly organized and functional. It's day 2 on this unpack. So yesterday's goal was no more boxes. The boxes are out of the house. Today, we're bringing in product and placing things where we would want it to go and kind of finalizing those details. The kitchen and the master closet are 90% done even after yesterday. So we are finishing those pieces up and then working in the rest of the spaces, styling the shelves. We have some challenges that usually happens on second and third day of a move. The carpet was supposed to be laid this morning. It's now 1 o'clock. They're still laying it and telling us it could push into 2 days. So we're fingers crossed they lay all the carpet today because we can't get into upstairs bedrooms until all the carpet is laid. Again, not changing our timeline because we still have to be finished by tomorrow. Our team is working in the closet today, changing out hangers, putting the correct bins and the right product, making sure there's a label on everything so that everything's perfectly organized and there's a system. We're using the product that the client had, but also adding in some new stuff that's needed for this space.
Oh yeah.
I'm separating these baby toys into shoes and hair accessories, and this is all bottles and pacifiers. And I'm gonna find another container to keep the rest of the doll accessories in so that everything will be contained and organized.
The carpet is not going to be in, so we're moving everything that we had put up ahead in order to make room for the carpet installers. We're moving it back down. So going to go ahead and set it up for them the way it will look when it's all done.
We just finished a craft space for the kids. So this is like a craft and homeschool area. So I am labeling all of their craft supplies, pom-poms, ribbon, crayons, markers, anything you can think of. Craft.
The sweat from dripping off down my face. Ah, so gross. Midday update. The only thing that we're waiting on is the carpet to get finished, and everything that's in this room is immediately going to go into those rooms. So all this playroom is pretty much 3 bedrooms sitting in here right now. As soon as they put the last tack in that carpet, our team will come attack this space and get everything put in those 3 rooms. It's day 3, which means all the final details are happening now. The carpet finally got placed last night. We were here late waiting for that, and all the furniture got put together, the rooms are done, and now we're unloading. We're a little bit behind in that space, and so we've pushed the finish time a little bit, but the clients are fine with it. They're gonna eat dinner, head home, and they get to see their finished space. All the final details are happening now. So putting labels on all of the bins, making sure everything's straight for the pictures, all those last minute details that make such a difference whenever we present it to the family.
Come on.
Me too. Okay. We did it! We did it! We did it!
I thought it was touching that
It's
for a
up.
second.
It's level. It's just above the electrical outlet. Centered on the wall. Hope it doesn't come off.
Okay, so we came into the space really nervous that they had too many clothes for the space because they went from 2 closets to 1, and come to find out they actually purged a lot of their clothes before they came. What we did find was more of a challenge was the stuff. The shoes, purses, all of the like jewelry were a little more of a challenge to fit, but we did what we do and we made it all fit, and it's ready for them to come home.
We did it!
That's all that's left.
When I say down to the wire, I literally mean we have about an hour and we are tidying up all the last minute things. Still working in the garage, sweating to death. We want the family to walk in and feel at home, and that's exactly what we've done. So to recap, on Wednesday, this house was full of boxes. Furniture was dumped in a playroom upstairs, not put together. There were no carpets in any of the bedrooms. And today, on Friday at dinner time, the entire house is unpacked. Everything's hung on the wall, their pantry is stocked, their fridge is stocked, their beds are made, and their toothbrushes are put away, ready for them to come home to their brand new home.